White hair to black permanently by natural ingredients. Hello friends, I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today, I will share with you a new video special and effective. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. So let's start. 2 teaspoons of baby oil, 1 teaspoon of henna powder, 1 bag of black tea powder, Now, mix all the ingredients very well. Now at the time to apply this paste on your white hair to turn it to black. Wash your hair when your white hair colored to black. Finally, I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe us, and we are waiting for your feedback and comments.